U.S. Open.
Oh, good job, Jay.
The U.S. Open going through.
Ross, Jaden, and me, Grant, went to the final round of the U.S. Open. Had a good time. It was nice to see the pros out there. Day started out at number 10, and we quickly went over to number 2. This pro actually hit it and rolled off the edge. Ross and I both commented, we could have done that. Here's Dustin Johnson. After seeing the previous guy hit it over, he almost did the same thing. Fortunately, his stayed on the green, just barely. Here's Dustin Johnson missing his putt coming back, just barely. Too bad. Too bad. It was actually a really good shot. Here's the winner of the tournament, Wyndham Clark. Yeah, he didn't play bad at all. I think he just was very consistent. Didn't really make any putts. Didn't make this one almost, but just very consistent. A lot of 2 putts. Getting it close. Didn't make any major mistakes. Won by 1 stroke. That would have been nice. Yeah, nobody dropped any putts today, really. And the greens were really fast. I played this course as a junior golfer long time ago. You really keep it in good condition. Didn't hit it. Way short. That's the winner again of the tournament.
Ross and Jaden, the U.S. Open.
Ross and Jaden enjoying the tournament, hopefully. Ricky Fowler from off the green. Almost rolled off too. They're all doing the same thing. Too bad they can't watch each other. Fowler coming back. Also missed his putt. Nobody was making anything. It's amazing. Really tough putting on this course. It's a good shot. There's Ross and Jaden again. Dustin Johnson. They got close, but we did not see 1 putt dropped. That one doesn't count. That was like a 4-footer. Ricky Fowler. It's one of the worst shots I've seen anyone hit. I could have done that. Almost made this. A lot of almosts. No real amazing shots. You want him to make it, but tough putting. That's the winner right there. He won the tournament. He did that all day, but he didn't make anything. Anyway, the crowds were just intense. So all those people are going over to other holes later on. It was really a poor design. Everyone had to get through this little itty bitty hole.
Right?
I don't know, like 10,000 people trying to walk through a 10-foot gap in a bridge. Very, very poor design. So we decided to hang it up and head for home. Watch the rest on TV.
Yeah,
So
he really had it bad.
it was fun to go and watch.
You can actually watch it right now on our phones.
We're out.